What's up, yo? What's going on? Happy Saturday. Your boy we finally getting some new tires for this truck, man. Right now, currently, I'm at the tire shop. I'm gonna show you guys my new tires for this truck. Got some real nice, I think Nitos or something like that. What they call real good tires, because when I previously bought this truck, one of the, I got it in a way where it needed some tires when I went to the dealership to purchase it, but at that time I was kind of impatient, and also I was able to get like a deal with how much I'm going to pay for the truck if I was going to take it as it is without the tires being, pretty much brand new tires on there. So I'm going to show you guys my current tires I have now on there. They pretty much is, the two fronts is like bald pretty much. So I've been waiting on this moment right here to get some nice, fresh, good tires, good deals, brand new, and I'm about to show you guys right now. These are the ones I have right now. These are strictly bald. You guys can see like how bald they are. This is the front. These are the back side. See my hands right now. Like they pretty much gone. Pretty much like. I think this one on this side is not really that bad. This one on this side. This I replaced not too long ago because it had like a slow leak or something like that. I was in there. So that's the front side. Front side, passenger side's pretty much balled out. These are the set of tires I got now. These is just fresh. So these are Nitos NT 420V pretty much. So these these are stock size. So it's 275 60 R20. These things is just nice and hefty, man. It's crazy. So most people, you might be wondering like, dang, why would you wait that long to try to get some tires? I would have at least let them put some new tires on there. But with me, honestly, at that time, the position I was in, I kind of desperately needed like a truck, and the deal that I had on this truck was pretty good. So, and from what I was told, it was another guy that was coming in to take a look at the truck the next day, and he was real serious about buying it. So just as I was, so it just turned out that I came there first before him. So if I was gonna leave it the next day, he probably would have came and probably buy this and that. But it was just some set of tires, which was about, brand new tires for these trucks, about like close to like 1,200-1,300, I'll say. So I just told myself I'm just hang in there, wait for a little bit, get some used tires, which I did for the back side, just that one side. But Like the two back tires that was on there wasn't really as bad as the front side, but the front tires, you guys could see, like, them issues bald, like completely bald. Any kind of little needle or some kind of sharp little pin I go over, it's gonna definitely get my tires to like flat out. And I couldn't really take that chance. But these set of tires I just bought, I found them online. Nice, good set. Didn't really pay. I paid probably, I think, a little over like 13, which wasn't really that bad, honestly, for those kind of tires. Those are like performance and all year round tires, which I was kind of looking for. I didn't want to just go with any kind of basic set of tires, because in the future I'm obviously, like, I'm not, this truck I got, I don't really tow anything with it. It's not, the purpose of it is not to tow this and that. It's just to turn it into like a fun race truck that I could daily drive. Nothing too crazy, probably something making at least like 750 to the wheel, which is, you could easily be able to do that with these trucks. And it's just a little step here and there I'm planning on doing with it. And just, you know, that's why I need you guys to definitely subscribe to the channel, man. Like, you guys gotta stay tuned and see exactly most of the mods I'm gonna be doing in this truck will start like next year. Like, right now I'm just doing like most of the little basic stuff because I work a lot, but I'm not making that an excuse. But I really want to start really getting deep into doing some crazy stuff with this truck, where I'm saying, like, I'm doing like performance, looks is not really like right now for this truck. It looks good, but the only thing I change about it from the outside is like the set of tire setup. Like, I'll probably go with smaller set up front and like a little bit, keep the back like the same size pretty much, or probably a little bit, and then probably get it lower. That's the plan. But